Hello, beautiful souls. I am Rishi Kumar, and welcome to Spirit in a Lab Coat. Whether you landed here from one of our YouTube shorts or you're exploring your next level of growth, you're in the right place. This is what I call the Get It All video, your gateway to the full experience of manifesting a new you. You'll find direct links below to the full playlist of our 4-part video series on manifestation, including intent, beliefs, meditation, and practical techniques. A free copy of the book, Spirit in a Lab Coat, access to our powerful mini-series, and Giovanni's transformative guided meditation series, a perfect companion to these teachings. These teachings aren't just feel-good ideas, they are life-changing tools when practiced consistently. They've helped thousands of people shift their mindset, attract aligned opportunities, and live with greater peace, purpose, and clarity. So take your time, watch the series, let it soak in, and most importantly, begin to apply what resonates. Because the real power, it's already within you. Click the playlist link below to start the journey.